Using the symbol sprayer tool, you can paint your artwork with symbols. This tool is located here on the toolbar, and there are many symbols related tool in this group. So if you click and hold your mouse, you will see that there are a lot of other tools that work with symbols, which we will look into shortly. So first, let's open up the symbol panel by going to Windows and then choose Symbol. This panel lists all the symbol that comes pre-installed with Illustrator. Click on this context menu button to open up the library of symbol set, where you will find many built-in symbols. So if you choose this symbol and click on the artboard, you can paint the artboard using these symbols. You can open up any library set and select the symbol to paint it on the artboard. So if I click on mobile, I now have some neat mobile icons. Just select it and click on the artboard. You will notice that whatever symbol we use are automatically added on the symbol panel for later use. You can also manually add symbol to the panel. So if I want to place this symbol to the panel, I can simply click and drag this from here to here. Similarly, you can also delete symbol. Just select the symbol and press delete. And say you want to delete multiple symbol. So in order to select the multiple symbol, hold the shift key to make multiple selection and then press delete. Double clicking on the symbol tool will open up the customization dialog box, where you can set the diameter of the brush, intensity or symbol set intensity, etc. You can increase or decrease the brush size by pressing the bracket key on the keyboard. So if you press the right bracket key, this will increase the brush size, and if you press the left bracket key, this will decrease the brush size. When you paint symbols, they form a set. So you cannot select a particular symbol using the selection tool. So in order to manipulate the symbol, like moving them, scaling or rotating them, there are other tools that are available in the group of symbol sprayer tool, which can be used. So let's learn about them. To move any symbol that are part of a symbol set, you can use the symbol shifter tool. Select the tool and now click and drag the symbol that you want to move. Next tool is symbol scruncher tool, which act like a magnet and draw the symbols closer to each other. And if you press Alt or Option key, then the symbol will move apart. Next is the symbol sizer tool, which can be used to increase or decrease the size of symbol. So using this tool, if you click on any symbol, its size will increase, and if you press Option or Alt key and click, the size will decrease. Then comes the symbol spinner tool, which can be used to rotate any symbol. So if you click and hold on to any symbol, an arrow appears and the direction of arrowhead tells you where the shape will be rotated. The next tool is symbol strainer tool. This tool allows you to change the color of a symbol. So here, if I want to change the color of this symbol, I can select the color, then use the strainer tool to change the color by just clicking on it. Make sure you select the symbol first. Sometimes you have to click a few times to make the color change. Now if you press Option or Alt key and then click on the symbol will get its original color back. Next is the symbol screener tool. This tool changes the transparency of symbol. So if you click on any symbol using this tool, you can change the transparency, and pressing Alt and clicking will reverse the process. And the last is the symbol styler tool. This tool applies graphic style to the symbols. To use this tool, first open up the graphic style panel by going to Windows and clicking on graphic style. Here choose the style and click on the symbol. Notice the style gets applied to the symbol. Not only you can use the symbol which comes with Illustrator, you can also create your own symbol if you like. So let's make our own symbol. I will use the ellipse tool to draw a circle, and let's use the scissor tool to cut this in half. And then I'm going to color each part differently. Now to make this a symbol, you need to just drag this shape into the symbol panel. So this will create a symbol, and now you can use this with the symbol sprayer tool to use this on the artboard. Now let's take a close look into the symbol panel. This button here will place an instance of the symbol on the artboard. So select any symbol that you want to place on the artboard and click this button. Let's say you want to modify this symbol. You can do this by just double clicking on it. And now you can modify the symbol as per your liking. So you can change the color of it or remove any parts from this symbol. You can also click on this button to go into the modification mode. Next button is for symbol option, where you can look into the properties of different symbol in the symbol panel. And this button can be used to create new symbol. So if I draw a rectangle and click on this button, I can set the name and export type and then press OK to make a new symbol. So this is all about the symbol tool.